How to make chicken tenders on the Nuwave Brio Plus 7-quart air fryer. Power on the Brio and set the temperature and timer to 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Press the notification button and then press start. Next, pull the base tray out and add the chicken tenders into the tray. Insert the base tray back inside the power base, and the Brio will automatically begin cooking the tenders. Halfway through the cook, the Brio will alert you when to flip the chicken tenders to evenly cook both sides. When the display shows flip, pull the base tray out. Carefully flip each chicken tender, and then slide the tray back inside to resume the cook. When the countdown finishes, pull the base tray out and carefully transfer the chicken tenders onto a plate. Add your favorite dipping sauce, and the chicken tenders are now ready to serve. Enjoy.
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.